Hello everyone, Steve Bertram from Flex Realty here. I'm just at my newest listing up at The Ledge in the beautiful world-renowned golf community of The Rise. I'm looking at number 15 at 7735 Okanagan Hills Boulevard. Let's go and have a look. The exterior is a beautiful low-maintenance yard. There's plenty of driveway space, room for at least 2 vehicles, and then inside the double garage there's room for 2 more. Let's go and have a look at the inside of this beautiful unit at The Ledge, number 15. Before we go inside, I just wanted to point out that there's this beautiful rock wall in behind that they carved out of the rock to put the road in, and it just is beautiful. It's a really nice natural looking feature and really adds to the privacy of this house. Let's go and have a look inside. First, before we go though, there is a bit of a patio space here where you can sit in the morning and have shade and have your coffee as well, and it's a quiet area. Let's go have a look inside. The minute you come in, you're greeted by this nice inviting area where you can meet up with your company and greet them and have them remove their shoes, put a bench out front here if you want. And it opens right up into the open plan. There's a spacious hall closet and it's just filled with natural light in this area too. So it's bright entry. The stairs go down from here. And then in here you have this open great room concept with these beautiful vaulted ceilings and recessed lights that just create this really nice open atmosphere while still being comfortable and inviting for your guests. The extras just keep adding up in this house. There's a beautiful pantry here that they've added in outside of the regular plan. And then over here, we've got this fantastic hood fan over the gas stove. You've got your dishwasher on this side alongside the island kitchen. And then over here, you've got another pantry area, perfect for storing your goods there, and room for an extra large fridge and a wall oven and microwave. One thing to note is that the island is oversized too. It's beautiful granite, wonderful place to entertain. And of course, you've got your dining area over here, and then this fabulous living room with its electric fireplace, and then of course a beautiful view of the valley outside. Endless views over the Okanagan Valley and orchards and vineyards. It's just a beautiful spot. Let's go and have a look at this deck. There's a ton of room for entertaining out here or just taking in the views. They've got this really neat planter set up here that can block your privacy in. And then of course you've got views down to Okanagan Lake from here. A little bit smoky today because of some fires down in the US, but otherwise it's got panoramic views of Okanagan Lake. You can see clear across to the common edge. There's fantastic orchard views, and have a look at this lake view. It's just amazing and panoramic. Back inside, we can go and have a look at the rest of the house, including the master suite just around the corner. This master suite is just amazing. It's spacious, nice natural light. The ceilings are high. And in here, you've got this fabulous ensuite bath. It has a tile shower over here with a seat in there. Huge walk-in shower, as well as this amazing walk-in closet with plenty of room. Over here you have dual vanities and the basin sinks here, under-mount basins. Really nice cabinetry, full-length mirror. The tile floors are even heated to keep them nice and warm on those cool winter days. Continuing our tour through the house here, we've got this other side of the house that involves a beautiful powder room for your guests, as well as this nice hall closet here coming off the garage, and then this nice little laundry room area here that has a folding table, cabinetry, and then over here you've got space for your deep freeze. Let's go have a look at the garage. This is a beautiful garage space. There's built-in workbenches here, and look at all this storage up above. You don't even see it until you look up, and there's all this extra space for all your extra storage items that you need. Built-in shelving over there, and then of course a door with plenty of room for 2 vehicles and any of your Okanagan toys that you need. Take a look at the craftsmanship of this beautiful railing with black metal inserts. And down here, we've got the full basement, which is a walkout basement with plenty of natural light. It is fabulous. Let's go have a look. Before we take a look at the rest of the walkout basement here, have a look at how much storage is in this house. It is amazing. There's just storage everywhere. And not just there, but under the stairs. It is amazing amount of storage. Now, we get to the rest of the highlights of this beautiful basement built for entertaining. Look at this bar. It is beautiful. It's got a fantastic wood top counters, lots of extra storage for your wines and spirits. There's a wash-up sink complete with a glass washer over here. I mean, this is a bartender's delight. And then you get the beautiful views across the rec room here. I'm gonna have one more look at the extra storage down here. This is the utility room. And boy, it's just tidy as heck. There's a high efficiency furnace coupled with a heat pump. Then we have this amazing tankless hot water system. Plenty of room on the panel for extra circuits if you want to add something. And again, more storage and an air circulation system. All extras that the seller has added to this beautiful home. Let's not miss the rest of this tour. This is their rec room area, and look, they've even got a theater alcove over here. Now this, in the original plan, it was a bedroom, and you could put it back to an extra bedroom if you needed a 3-bedroom place. But this room is set up for entertaining, and it is a gorgeous space for movie nights and family fun. And then over here, we have a nice area where you could put a desk and look out over the valley if you had to work from home. Outside, there's this beautiful patio area, and look, you can put your hot tub here. You've got space if you want to have another, barbecue or anything down here. And then a xeriscape yard with room for a couple of loungers to soak in the sun and take in those Okanagan Lake views. Back inside, we can see the rec room from a different angle. Of course, that fabulous TV room. And then let's go and have a look at the other bedroom over here. On the way, we'll see this fantastic full bathroom over here, perfect for company or extra family. And then we've got this massive extra bedroom here. And it is very unique in that it has its own walk-in closet. Don't miss out on your chance to own this fabulous home. Come and see number 15, 7735 Okanagan Hills Boulevard, up in the Ledge, in the world-renowned golf community of the Rise. You can book your showing online at vernonhomesonline.com or call us at 250-306-7575. I'm Steve Bertram, Flex Realty. Thanks for joining us on this tour today.